Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We got another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Oh yes. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can make a purchase and see what other goodies they have. And also take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. You should get this in with the quickness. Especially now how they have it. Let's see. The survey says, ooh. FT word, I do believe. Oh, phone stand. Oh, Ainope on Amazon. Check them out. This should be an easy video to do. I'm going to set it up in a second. We're going to take it out of the box. And let's see what else. Can you guys read that? Focus. Well, it's a phone holder with 360 relay rotation, wireless charge, universal compatibility, compatible with the iPhone, 7.5 watts, Samsung, 10 watts. And it says weight clamp fit for 4 to 6 inches model, shock proof. Well, it has like the long extension arm. Put it on your dashboard. Oh boy, this is different. Let's see what it's about. Cut it open. It's a U-shaped wireless charger phone stand. Alright, here we go. Oh, this is pretty cool. I'm liking this. Look at this one. And this is great for all you Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, DoorDash, Grubhub. I'll leave my links to down below where you guys could get money off those. Save money. $7 off your order for your Grubhub and DoorDash. So we got this right here. Whoa. Alright. So you put your phone here. This is where the NFC is. Could always peel that off. There's the back. It's lightweight. And here's the arm bar. Whoa. Look at this thing. Got the suction cup there so you can have it mounted on your dashboard. Okay, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold on one sec. Alright, I gotta do is unscrew this. Then it pulls out the extender. And just gotta put it back in. Go like this. Got confused for a sec. There we go. Just once you find your spot where you want it, make sure you just mine ain't going in the hole. Hold on. Alright, there we go. We got it back in. Got to tie that right here. Oh, that goes here. Okay. To adjust it more, it's gotta go. That's tightened. There we go. So you want to mount it like this. And then that comes out. You want to put this on like so. Squeeze it in a little bit. Let me get it. Alright, we got it in. Yeah, full tilt. Just gotta take this, lock that in where you want it. So that's about right there. And we're gonna make this tighter, lock it in place. Should be good right there. Oh yeah, this is nice. So you can have it cocked like that, left, right. So like I said, this would be perfect for your road deliveries, your traveling assistant buddy, or even vlogs if you could do it. But I wouldn't recommend doing vlogs while driving. This is a nice one, something different. Never seen the type with this kind of like extended armbar. So this is pretty cool. We're gonna set it up in my car in about a few seconds. Oh, you could, oh, whoa. I didn't realize you could do that too. You can adjust it as far as you want. Oops, all the way up there actually. So then you can just take this. And screw it in the hole. And I'll be back. Alright, we got it all hooked up now. And now we're going to go in the car and show you how to put it on. This thing is cool though. Got the extended. I only put it up to right about there, but you could put it farther than that once you adjust it with the screw. And it comes with one of these USBs. And I'll see you in the car. Alright, YouTubers, here we are back in the car. We got the Ainope wireless charger, kind of. Now we're going to stick it on the dashboard. Boom. Whoa. Alright, so that was easy. It sucked right on. Hopefully you guys can see it a little bit better. There, oh, not this time. Alright. Lock it in. Gotta twist it, make sure it's locked. Like that. There you go. So there's a little suction cup right in there. And you just gotta turn this thing right here till it sucks it in and locks it in place. So we got that. Just gotta plug USB in to my cigarette adapter. Plugged in. This phone is my Galaxy. And it's like almost dead, so try it out, see how much. Trying to reboot the phone. Alright, here we go. Why is it not locking in place? Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. So you can turn it like that. Oh, this is nice. Have it like that for you. Then you can do your Google Maps or your iPhone, whatever you guys use for your maps. But this is really cool. And like I said, you could extend it out. And it holds pretty good. And you can always adjust it. That's what it looks like that. And that's the Galaxy 8 Plus, so it holds it perfect. And YouTubers, you guys could get one. This would be a great Father's Day gift, Christmas gift, birthdays, all that good stuff coming up. Bar mitzvahs. And all you gotta do is click the link down below. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good day. And see you guys soon.